So as you can see, the CoLAB Architect serves a very critical role in all collaborations. Without their help, without their steadfastness, the focusing on the outcome, and complemented by the model. In a collaboration, the CoLAB is entitled to 1% only after a collaboration is generating success, and a portion of that, a large portion of that goes to the assigned CoLAB Architect. So no success, no outcome, no participation for CoLAB, and no participation for the CoLAB Architect. So we built a complete model that keeps everyone's eye on the prize and leveraging everyone's unique value contribution to not one time create success, but over and over and over. Most of our CoLAB partners have a plethora of collaborations, and we've only gotten started. So here's to all the CoLAB architects helping us create that exponential success that all of us can have as vision at the beginning of a collaboration. It's nice to have you around to create that actual success. Thanks for stopping by.